Welcome sa Buhay na Bayani Vlog.
Bali ay trigang switch control niya ay individual valve. Sige sir, isa-isa lang. On. 1, 2, 3. Off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so very good. Ulit, trigang switch control individual valve. Sige sir. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Off, isa-isa sir. 1, 2, 3. So ayan, okay rin, very good. Trigang switch control individual valve. O sige, on. 1, 2, 3. Off, isa-isa. Okay, very good. Okay, so ito ulit, trigang switch control individual valve. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Okay, lahat sir, on mo. Okay, off mo, isa-isa. Okay. Ito naman, trigang switch, unang switch niya ay control 2 valve. Sige, on, unang switch. Okay, off mo yan. Okay, yung sunod. Okay, off. Next. Okay, on mo lahat sir. Okay, off, isa-isa ulit. Okay, okay. Okay, very good. Ito ulit, balik trigang switch, unang switch control 2 valves. On. Okay, off po sir. Okay, pangalawa. Off. Pangatlo. Okay, on mo lahat sir. Okay, off isa-isa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Ulit, trigang switch, unang switch control 2 valve. Yung 2 valves mo na sir, on mo. Okay, off. Okay, sunod. Off. Next. Okay, on mo lahat sir. Okay, off mo na isa-isa. Okay, very good. Trigang switch, unang switch control 2 valve. Sige sir, on. Okay, off. Okay, on mo. Next. Okay, on mo lahat sir. Okay, off mo pa isa-isa. Okay, very good.
Maraming salamat sa panonood ng Buhay na Bayani Vlog. Lahat tayo ay pwedeng maging bayani.